YouTube, welcome to the Kate Show. I am so excited today to take y'all with me on my packing journey for my volunteer trip. I watch 100 of these videos on YouTube and I think they're so interesting to see what everyone packs. And also it's really helpful to take tips and tricks from other people to make sure that I'm not forgetting something. So let's get into my packing list. Oh, before I get into that, I'll give you guys a little background on what I'm doing. I am going to Guatemala with the School of the World organization. We are going to a remote community that has actually never seen tourists before, so that is really exciting and really scary at the same time. I don't know what to expect. And we are building a school for all the children in the community. So I am a huge advocate of education and making sure kids can be set up for success in their future. So I can't wait. I can't wait to get there. I can't wait to see the fruits of our labor, to meet the kids and everything. But right now I'm kind of in my pre-trip panic where I am like, I wanna make sure I have everything together. So let's get into packing. I'm gonna go through everything and then I'll probably show y'all how I fit everything in my bag. If you have any tips or tricks, like I said, please leave comments below. I leave pretty soon, but you could probably help someone else out who is watching this video. So first up, and I really didn't take this seriously until I spoke to someone who went, I have a bunch of moisture wicking shirts. So I have one tank top, I have two long sleeve lightweight shirts, and then I have two short sleeve shirts. Favorite color is black, clearly you can tell that. It's really, really warm where I'm going, and t-shirts are fine to work in, but this is gonna keep your body at the coolest temperature and really help your body breathe. So these are my moisture wicking shirts. Next up, obviously I need bottoms. So I have quite a few options. Typically when you're working, if you are working like for School of the World or another organization that is doing construction, you don't want to be wearing shorts. So I just have a pair of shorts that, you know, maybe I will travel home in. I might sleep in these. These are just something to have casual around the hotel. I have three pairs of leggings. They're all black. They recommended that we wear like jeans or pants. I don't own jeans. I'm not really a jeans wearing type of a gal. They don't fit my body that great, so leggings it is. So got a lot of those. I did pack a couple extra t-shirts, you know, some to sleep in and others to change into once I get back to the hotel at night before dinner. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 t-shirts. Like I said, it's really, really hot and I want to be able to stay cool. So we've got these. Next up, getting my raincoat. This honestly has been a lifesaver for some of my recent trips. I actually got this coat from Burlington Coat Factory. It is a little lightweight windbreaker, long sleeve. It has a hood. This thing is so easy to pack. It's so easy to wash, and if it rains, you're protected and you don't get wet. And it's also, I wore it to the rainforest last week when I was in Panama, and it was just something light enough that, you know, if I got a little bit chilly, it kept me warm without like, oh my gosh, I need to take this off, I'm dying. So I highly, highly, highly recommend getting a lightweight rain jacket. You don't need to bring one of those big ones or something heavy duty. Get something like this. It'll be super easy to pack and you will be so glad that you did. So next up, I have a ton of socks. So I was told that you will sweat through them, they'll get really dirty, really yucky. So I just went to Marshall's and I actually found 10 pairs for $6, which was super cheap and awesome. These are some that I don't care if I ruin them or if they get, you know, gross or anything. I can either throw these out or, you know, hopefully they'll last me because they're kind of cute. So again, Marshall's is really, really great for that. I have, what do we have next? Oh. So I am extending my trip, actually. I'm going from Guatemala to Colombia to celebrate my boyfriend's birthday. So I packed a few dresses for stuff that we're gonna do during the day and also stuff at night. It's my understanding that for our actual team dinners, it's pretty casual, so I didn't bring anything too fancy for that. So like I have a dress for the day in Colombia. I've got like a basic black dress, something to go out in there. Couple other just really, really lightweight dresses. Dresses for me are so key when it comes to going out and everything. Number one, because it's one item, you don't have to pack 2 different things. And number 2, just because they breathe and it's breezy and they're just so easy. And you throw on a dress and you are good to go. Okay, now we're really getting into it. So I spoke with someone who went last year and she recommended packing these one and done wipes. She said that you will really be thankful that you packed them. Now please learn from my mistake. I bought this big thing from Target thinking, oh wow, it's on clearance for $4.79, what a deal. I thought these were all broken down into like little packets. There are 184 wipes in here and it's all in one big thing. So I'm gonna break these down into probably several plastic bags so I can keep some at the hotel, keep some with me in case I need them, in case anyone else needs them. But she said, go for the one and done because they are very strong and they get everything. Enough said. Then I have the Repel Bug Spray. I'm gonna be in Guatemala, it's humid there. I really don't wanna get bit, so make sure to bring your bug spray. And then I have sport lotion, this is 50. I also have a smaller one for my face that is 70. The sun there is much harsher, much more harsh than it is in Indiana. So clearly, I'm definitely going to get color, but I wanna protect my face and protect my body at the same time too, because nothing is worse than a sunburn. Man, I don't need to feel like my seat warmers are on when I sit down for dinner, okay? So we've got those. That kind of ties into my toiletry bag. I don't really know if you guys want me to go through all of this. This is, I mean, I have everything from lotion, body wash. Oh, here's my 70 sunscreen for my face. I packed, let's see, a toothbrush. I packed actually 2 toothbrushes because I was told the water might make me sick, so to not drink it at all. And they even said to keep a water bottle by your bed or by your sink at night, so when you go to brush your teeth, you don't like accidentally like rinse it underneath the sink. So I packed 2 toothbrushes, one that I can use there and one that I can use when I go on to my vacation after. Lots and lots of aloe and hand sanitizer. Face wash, lotion, what else do I have in here? Listerine, toothpaste, the whole shebang. Basically, if you just go to Target and go to the travel section, I know it's not the biggest money saver. If you have these products at home, you can buy the empty little cases, like one I have in here I use for my lotion, and I love these actually. These are like the silicone types where you just fill it up in here and then it's all ready to go. And this has never leaked on me, which is huge. So if you see these, get these. I think they're like $1 or $2. But yeah, overall, I kind of went just nuts. I bought Tylenol, I brought Tums, Dramamine, which was something I forgot on my last trip. So got all these in here. Ooh, this is a good one. So I packed 2 pairs of sunglasses, and these are promo ones, like Vineyard Vines and a PR company from Indy, because I was told that sometimes the kids will try to grab them from your face, or you might lose them, or they might wear them. So don't bring anything expensive on this trip. Don't bring anything, you know, you're gonna be devastated if it gets broken. So these are very easy to go. If they get trashed, that's okay, I will survive. I'm bringing 2 different hats to help protect my face. My Pink Yankees one, and then a camo one. Again, these hats are, if they get anything on them, cement, paint, whatever, I will survive. Don't bring something that's like super important to you, because it might get ruined. Oh, this is my favorite ever backpack that I've got as a merch item from the Taylor Swift tour. 1989 World Tour, Taylor Swift. I like to keep this on me. I'm traveling with a backpack for my carry-on to carry all my like electronic stuff, but this is just something I can easily throw in for the day to kind of wear with me, or have this. So McDonald's sent me this crazy Big Mac Fanny Pack, which some people wear as like a waist bag or kind of just like around their chest. Again, this is something that I think is kind of silly, and if anything gets on it, I'm not gonna be devastated. But it is also a Big Mac Fanny Pack, so why not? Why not? I might keep this on me during the day so I can keep my camera and my phone like right here without having my backpack swing around. So that proves super handy. Oh, water bottle bottle with a filter inside. I got this for $8 from Amazon, and I will definitely be using this. They provide water for us at the hotel, but I want to take the extra measure to make sure that it's completely filtered. And it says 1 filter can replace 300 water bottles. So this is going to be key. In here, I have my maybe, this is one of my favorite Christmas presents. Everything is like my favorite right now. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's 4 apps, 7 filters, and some makeup. Accurate AF, am I right? So in here, I keep all of my electronics. I try to keep all of like my chargers, my wires, my external chargers. So these are really great. We have some long bus rides, and I know I'll be working on my phone and on my computer, so these will be great for my phone, the little power banks. I have my headphones and just some extra chargers in there. I have a little pouch for any jewelry you want to bring with you. Honestly, y'all, I bring jewelry that I've like costume jewelry from like Forever 21 or H&M. Again, the theme is don't bring something that's super important, but like, how cute are these? I got these from Shein. They're little parrots. So cute, so fun. I love them. So I keep them all in a little pouch, again, so they don't get lost. Switching gears just a bit, I want to really stress the fact that you may not love the food of the place you're going, and that's okay. What you need to make sure is you have snacks in your room. So I am someone who's not really a picky eater, but I also do like to snack or like have something on the go or in the morning. So I got the essentials, one of which I got the Mi Zero, I don't know. Got this from Target. It's just little droplets that have electrolytes in them, as well as make my water taste better, so I'm not just sick of water the whole time. When I'm in the hotel room, I actually saw this on another person's video. Some hotels, like I'm in a hotel room, but you may be in a room with a bunch of other people. Earplugs, bring them, you will not regret it. I always travel with earplugs. It makes traveling with children on planes totally fine. You can't help if a baby's crying. You can't help if your roommate is sawing logs for 12 hours every night. Earplugs. Back into food. I'm bringing the Nature Valley Crunchy Granola Bars. These are really the only granola bars that make me feel full. I feel like I have to chew them for 10 hours just to get to the next bite. So granola bars, I got some cheese and crackers, and then of course, live and die, buy some goldfish. These are just something that it's really easy. They're non-perishable. Well, I mean, eventually, but not throughout this trip. They're gonna be easy to pack. They don't require water. I don't have to cook any of them. Something I can really grab and go pretty quickly. Okay, so this is something that I'm not sure if it'll pertain to everyone's trip, but for mine, we were asked to bring fun things for the kids and also a gift for the host family. And the host family is going to be a family from the community that invites us into their home to kind of show us around and how they live. Our instructions were to bring things that make sense. So for example, for the last host family, they brought like pot holders and they didn't know what to do with them. The community we're going to also doesn't speak English, they don't speak Spanish, and they speak a Mayan language called Quiche or Quiche. Don't strike me down if I'm wrong. So it truly is going to be a lesson in like communication without any type of translator. But it's basically like they brought pot holders and the kids are wearing them like around their neck like a necklace. So you want to bring really basic things that are nice, that are going to help the family and things that they need. So I chose as my host gifts, I found this is a really thin blanket, but it's pretty big. It's 50 by 60, a blanket from Five Below. I figure that if it's not cold, I think it gets pretty cold at night, but even if they're not cold, they can use it to, you know, cover up the floor or put it on their bed or whatever. So this is really nice. I thought it was a pretty pattern too. And then I am bringing a hand crank solar powered flashlight. This was something that was recommended to me by a former person who went, and they said that these are really, really helpful. So I got this on Amazon. It was like $8, so super easy. I know a lot of other people in our group are bringing towels and like wooden utensils and stuff they can use. So awesome. Then I'm bringing some stuff for the kids for school. So pipe cleaners, I got these all at Five Below, or no, I got these at the dollar store. I'm gonna look up, great tip for my friend Jess, I'm gonna look up like different things you can make out of pipe cleaners, like little animals or little designs, and bring that. So pipe cleaners, and make sure you bring one for everyone. We have about 108 kids in the community, so I have plenty to go around because you don't want to leave anyone out. So pipe cleaners, and then a big thing is bubbles. Apparently they just love, I mean, I love bubbles. Who doesn't love bubbles? So apparently they love bubbles. So I also got this at Five Below for, I think, $2. Easy to travel with, easy enough. They're gonna love it. Where did my ball go? One second. I found a mini soccer ball, and I think this is gonna be a huge hit. So I was thinking about bringing like a wiffle bat and a ball, but I'm like, no, like they love soccer, so soccer ball. If you have the opportunity to get a pump for the balls, do that as well so they don't go deflated. What else? Frisbees. These were $1 a piece, so I got 5 of them. Again, something that's flat and easy to pack, but they're gonna love. It's gonna be so much fun, and I like literally can't wait to play with them. So that is that everything? That is everything that I have for my trip. Now, besides shoes, I'm bringing a pair of shoes to work in that are like scruffy old running shoes. They're already broken in. Do not wear shoes you've never worn before on this trip. I'm gonna bring some sneakers to walk around in town after, and then I have a pair of heels and some sandals for my trip after. So let's get to packing, and let's pray that everything fits, because if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I had to switch it up a little bit because I don't know if you can even tell. I won't know until I edit it, but halfway or like 3/4 of the way through, I was like, oh, I haven't packed my shoes yet. That's a problem. So here's how I kind of rearranged everything. Just from here, I have all of my clothes on one side, undergarments, everything else is in here, and it's pretty packed right now, but I know that once I get rid of literally almost everything on the side, that I'll have a lot more room for my next trip. So that is it. If y'all enjoyed, here's my little ring light setup. If y'all enjoyed this video, please thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'm gonna be doing an entire series on this Guatemala School of the World trip to share with everyone. So I'm really excited. So until next time, guys, I will see you soon. Bye.